This is Llama 4 running locally with zero latency. No subscriptions, no cloud data leaks, and no corporate filtering. In 2026, local hardware has surpassed cloud-based GPT-4. Today, we are moving your intelligence off the grid in under 3 minutes. To run private AI, your model weights must fit into your video RAM. The primary failure point is the VRAM bottleneck. If a model exceeds your VRAM, it spills into system RAM, causing a 90% performance drop. Use 4-bit quantization. It reduces memory usage by half with negligible logic loss. Aim for a model that leaves 2 gigabytes of VRAM for your OS. Ollama is the standard for local model management. It handles the API and weights in one binary. A common hurdle is the terminal not recognizing the Ollama command immediately after installation. Restart your terminal to refresh the path. Run Ollama, run Llama 4 in your terminal. The backend is now operational on port 11434. To gain ChatGPT-like features, install Open Web UI using Docker. This enables document RAG and multi-model chat. Most users face a connection-refused error because Docker containers are isolated from the host. Use the host gateway flag to bridge the connection. You now have a private interface for uploading PDFs and switching models instantly. Optimize your 2026 setup by disabling GPU overdraw. For remote access, use a zero-trust tunnel like Tailscale rather than opening router ports. This ensures your data remains private. Installation is only the foundation. To enable your AI to search your entire local archive, you need context engineering. I have linked our guide on indexing 2026 archives below. Watch that next to turn this setup into a personal knowledge engine.